Hey y'all, it's Kobe and welcome back to my channel. So with this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take some bomb quality photos with just $15 with a trip to Hobby Lobby, and these photos are guaranteed to draw in potential customers and bring in the money for your business. So if you're interested in seeing what I have got from Hobby Lobby today and under just $15 and guaranteed to give you great quality photos, just keep watching. Alright guys, first and foremost, if you like my videos and want to see more great content, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to see more videos of mine. I am a CEO entrepreneur of my business KCO Unlimited, so my videos right now are going to be pertaining to following my journey of becoming a business owner. I'm going to show you the good, the bad, the ugly, and all that in between. And this is part of the somewhat bad with entrepreneurship. This is my third attempt tonight recording this video, but I'm not going to upload it tonight, but I definitely want to keep recording and stockpiling my videos so I can just make them public as the day comes whenever I want to make them public. So it's actually like 10:30 at night and I work tomorrow, but I really want to get this video up, so I'm going to try to attempt recording again. The first attempt had concealer showing. Second attempt, the angles was just horrible. So 3 times is the charm. So I'm going to show you guys what I have in my Hobby Lobby bag, which is $15. And once again, these 3 products are guaranteed to spice up your photos. I did go ahead and take all my photos, so I do know that they are bomb, they are great, but I'm still going to do the video as such. So let's get into it. So in the bag, I had these crystals, and then I'm trying to find the tag. They are crystal dazzlers. I got them from my local Hobby Lobby. They were $5, and they are the multi size crystals. They are beautiful, and they do spice up any photo. And I want to get into that real quick, just definitely from a potential customer and a current customer to some businesses. Before becoming a business owner, I do know that especially when you're shopping online, you want to you're more drawn to things that catch your eye, things that are more appealing, and that's how they pretty much depend on that, businesses, to draw in customers, clientele, things of that nature, drawing traffic. They really do focus on their photography, and that's really important, especially when you're online. If you do not have a station store, you have to work extremely, not harder, but you do have to work a little bit more hard with your photography and your photos, so you're making sure that you have great content and that you're drawing in clientele. The reason behind this video, I was just thinking, as I have been lately, my business is my little baby. It just takes over my mind. I eat, sleep, and dream about KCO Unlimited, and sometimes I can't sleep because I have so many ideas. I just want to just throw them out there, but I have to pace myself. But I was thinking today, and I was like, I think I want to change how my page looks. Okay, so I believe that I take great quality photos, but especially nowadays, a lot of online businesses do have social media pages as well for their businesses, and you definitely, is businesses a word? I swear y'all gonna think that I did not graduate high school. I really just make up my own words. I really do apologize. I did graduate high school, and I actually did have some college courses, so. But anyways, definitely Instagram, Facebook, especially Instagram, I think that is a lot more, has a lot more traffic than Facebook, especially when you're trying to promote your business. So you definitely do want to have your page be aesthetically pleasing and eye-catching. And even though I believe that I took great photos, I really don't think that my business page was actually aesthetically pleasing. So I definitely want to revamp that, and I thought about fabric. So that goes into the other 2 things I have in this bag, and that is some fabric. and I got gold and I got white. My 3 colors for my business is gold, black, and white. I did not want to get black because I feel like that's too dark and I want my page to be light and bubbly. Some of my photos I do have on my page, I did take on a black background because it was a clean background, but it just made my page look too dark, and that's not really what I want. And it's nothing wrong with the photos, but it's just not what I want for my page. I want my page to be very light and just light, fluffy, just beautiful all over, just bright. So yes, so I definitely, like I said, I've already taken the photos and did the video and things of that sort, so I know how they're gonna come out. It is actually quite beautiful. Honestly, with just $15, like, it's really gonna up my page and really draw a lot more traffic, because the photos bring out the great quality products that I already have. So that is very important when you're definitely into your looking into starting a business. You definitely want to focus on how to get your brand out there, get your products out there, how to draw people to your page, to your business, to your website, whatever you have going on. You want to think about how to bring in that traffic. So yes, so I probably will, thinking about it, eventually I am going to delete my pictures off my page. I will show a video of how my page looks now, so you can actually see my photos are not bad photos. I'm over it. I just want something different. I'm expanding my products, my business, and it's just too dark for me. So I'm going to eventually delete all those photos. I might keep a few that won't bring that dark theme over. So yeah, so I'm going to show you, probably will insert a clip of my business page, or you can actually go look and follow and see for yourself, and then I'll show you the pictures that I've taken. You can actually see a dramatic difference. I already see a dramatic difference, and I already know how it's going to make my page look when I actually keep this theme I have going. So yes, so definitely I'm going to actually just jump into taking these photos for you guys real quick to show how I play around with the fabric, and then that's going to be it for the video. So hold on. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the gold fabric, and I will angle the camera down. Alright. So you definitely want to play around with it and get it like a big pillow and make it look soft and nice. I do have these sets that I love, so I'm going to take pictures with these on the gold. I think that's going to be beautiful. It's going to be great quality photos, what we're looking for. And I promise you, each time I take a photo, for like the 3rd time I've attempted making this video, I keep getting bomb shots. So I'm really not disappointed, to say the least. And actually, I probably want to take it this way for you guys. So I might just have 2 angles this way so it doesn't mess up the video, like go from landscape to portrait. Alright. So I'm going to jump into the white fabric. Like I said, just play with it. Now this, I love to use the crystals for this. Just throw them up there. Casey, yes, my baby. With these crystals. Beautiful. It gets me every time. I'm gonna have a hard time picking the videos I want. So right here, I am just playing around with my products and staging them as such on the fabric to get the best angle and the best lighting. I'm taking videos as well. The more pictures and videos, different angles, the better for your business. So yes, I'm taking more and more pictures. I'm just grabbing different products from my inventory. I'm staging them using the crystal dazzlers, and I'm playing around with each product just to see how it comes out. So yes guys, once again, these photos are beautiful. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it to the video. It was just to show you guys what $15 can do for your business. So when you're looking into becoming an entrepreneur, it's really not a lot of money you have to invest into starting your business and into making your business be very successful. I try to make this video short, quick, and simple and to the point. I do want to point out that yes, I'm in another black t-shirt. This is actually another day. It's actually Tuesday. I think today is the 8th. I'm just stockpiling my videos. I love black, you guys. I've gained some weight the last couple of years and I just don't like it. So black is my best friend. I have 10 black tights, 20 black shirts, and I just happened to record on a day that I had another one of my favorite black shirts on. So yes, you might catch me in a lot of black shirts. It's not because I have no clothes, it's just because I love black. So yes, I wanted to mention that and put that out there in case for the people who actually notice my next videos I have on a black shirt. It's different days. Well, my last two were on the same day. I might film another video after this one. I'm not for sure. It is actually late. Like I said, this is my third attempt tonight trying to film this video, and I actually do work. I'm a mother and I have a lot going on, so I'm not for sure. So yes, I wanted to let you guys know that it's not how you start, it's where you end, and to take your money and let it work the best for you, and do not empty your pockets trying to invest your money wisely and let it go a long way. Hey guys, so I'm showing you a quick look at my page and how it currently looks. As you can see, it has that dark theme to it as I was speaking of earlier. I'm now showing you some quick photos of how my pictures turned out with my gold fabric. They are beautiful. And now jumping into some more photos using those dazzler stones. The photos are beautiful. They have not yet been edited. So that is it for the video, you guys. Thank you guys for all your support. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Tap that notification bell. Become a part of my team. I don't know what I want to call like my team, the Kobeans. I don't know. Come into Kobe's world, travel along this journey with me. It's not going to be all about business. It's just what I'm focusing on right now. It's going to be a lot about my life in general. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.